everything good about us came from outside.
Naku po! Meron na namang nagkalat!
How did it happen that so many Filipinos are leaving the Philippines for work?
May isang kilalang istoryador. Ang naging sagot ay sobrang lumihis.
For many years, we don't have to leave the Philippines for work. But remember that we had a colonial experience for 300 years. That is why a lot of Filipinos would like to go out of the country.
Nangyayari ang ganyang pagkakalat ng wrong information sa mga tunay na OFW tulad ko. Colonial mentality daw ang rason kung bakit kaming mga Pilipinong nag-OFW ay nag-abroad. Bakit ba? Ang katotohanan, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, ay nag-a-abroad ang mga Pilipino dahil sa hindi colonial mentality.